dealing with an emergency, every second counts. That's where the RESQTEC Auto Cribbit comes in, a game changer in vehicle stabilization. This innovative tool deploys with a simple push, providing instant, secure support to a vehicle. Its lightweight and compact design means it's ready to go at a moment's notice, making it an essential piece of equipment for first responders. With a focus on speed and safety, the Auto Cribbit allows you to secure a vehicle and get to work without delay. It's a testament to the fact that the best tools are often the ones that save lives. This is more than a tool, it's a lifeline. Are you tired of tangled cables and messy work sites? The Trommelfix 200 Ultra is here to help you get organized. This clever device is an automatic drum rewinding machine that makes managing cables, wires, and ropes incredibly easy. With the press of a button, it neatly and effortlessly spools up to 200 meters of material. Its robust design is built for the rigors of any job, and its portable nature means you can take it anywhere. The Trommelfix 200 Ultra turns a tedious, manual task into a quick and efficient one, saving you time and frustration. It's the ultimate solution for keeping your workspace tidy and professional. For professional diamond drilling and coring, you need a tool that's as tough as the material you're working with. The Bohrwurm EBW 1300 is an incredibly powerful and efficient wet and dry drilling machine. Its high-performance motor and rugged design are engineered to handle the most demanding jobs. The Bohrwurm EBW 1300 provides precise and clean holes in a variety of materials, from brick to reinforced concrete. It features an ergonomic handle and a compact build for easy handling and control. This is the tool that puts you in command of your project, no matter how tough the challenge. The safety of our railways depends on precise and accurate measurements, and the CALIPRI track geometry module is the tool of choice for the job. This non-contact measurement system provides extremely accurate data on track geometry, including gauge, cant, and twist. The device is easy to use and provides real-time data, allowing for immediate analysis and decision-making. Its innovative laser-based technology ensures high precision and repeatability, making it a reliable solution for maintaining rail safety. The CALIPRI track geometry module is a revolutionary tool that's helping to build a safer and more efficient future for the railway industry. When you're working in tight spaces, a standard screwdriver just won't cut it. The ATCL.S stubby ratchet screwdriver is the compact and versatile solution you need. This tool features a powerful ratcheting mechanism and a comfortable, ergonomic grip that lets you get into the most challenging spots. It comes with a variety of bits, making it a truly all-in-one tool for any task. The ATCL.S stubby ratchet screwdriver is designed to be tough and durable, so you can count on it for years to come. It's the perfect example of how a small tool can make a huge difference. Painting can be a messy job, but the MARSHALLTOWN 4-in-1 painter's clip is here to make it a little easier. This simple yet ingenious tool is designed to hold your brush, roller, and liner in one convenient place. You can attach it to a ladder or a bucket, keeping your tools right where you need them and preventing messes. It also has an integrated wire cutter and a bottle opener, because who doesn't need those on the job? The MARSHALLTOWN 4-in-1 painter's clip is a versatile must-have accessory that every painter should have in their toolkit. For those who demand perfection in their work, the iMatch 3 headlamp is a game changer. This headlamp is designed to give you a clear and bright view of your entire workspace, so you don't miss a single detail. It has a touchless on-off sensor, so you can operate it without dirtying your hands. With 5 different color temperatures and a dimming feature from 10% to 100%, you can customize the light to your specific needs. The iMatch 3 is rechargeable and waterproof, making it the perfect tool for any professional. This is the ultimate headlamp for anyone who wants to take their detailing to the next level. Find out more at https://www.youtube.com/watch?V=HJEQ6EURG. When you need to apply glue dots quickly and consistently, the EconoDot semi-automated glue dot dispenser is the perfect solution. This innovative machine automates the process of dispensing glue dots, making it easy to create a secure bond in a matter of seconds. Its compact and user-friendly design makes it a great choice for both small and large-scale projects. The EconoDot is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of applications, from packaging to crafts. It's the perfect tool for anyone who wants to improve their efficiency and accuracy. When a heavy object needs to be lifted, you need a tool that can deliver serious power and precision. The RESQTEC Ram V4 is a hydraulic ram that provides an incredible amount of force for lifting, spreading, and pushing. Its compact design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. The Ram V4 is a versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of applications, from vehicle extrication to building collapses. It is a powerful and reliable tool that can help you get the job done quickly and safely. For those moments when you need a little more leverage, the Gedor Grip Wrench is the perfect tool for the job. This wrench features a unique grip that gives you more control and a better hold on the fastener. Its innovative design also allows you to work in tight spaces, so you can get the job done no matter where you are. The Gedor Grip Wrench is a versatile tool that can be used on a variety of fasteners, from nuts and bolts to pipes and tubes. It is a powerful and reliable tool that will quickly become a favorite in your toolkit. When you need to cut holes in metal, wood, or plastic, you need a hole saw that's built to last. The Milwaukee Hole-Dozer Bimetal Hole Saw is a durable and versatile tool that's designed to deliver clean, fast cuts every time. Its bimetal construction provides long-lasting performance, and its innovative design helps to prevent tooth stripping. The Hole-Dozer also features a patented plug ejection system that allows you to easily remove the material you just cut. This is a powerful and reliable tool that will make your next project a breeze. Dealing with a stripped or rusted bolt can be a major headache, but the Gear Wrench Bolt Biter extraction screwdrivers are here to save the day. This set of screwdrivers features a revolutionary design that allows you to remove damaged fasteners with ease. The innovative bolt biter tip bites into the fastener, providing a secure grip that won't slip. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip so you can apply the necessary force without a problem. These screwdrivers are an essential addition to any toolbox, saving you time and frustration on your next project. Connecting pipes has never been easier than with the Polo CALIPRI connecting tool. This clever device allows you to quickly and securely join pipes without the need for additional fittings or adhesives. The tool uses a unique press-fit system that creates a strong and leak-proof connection in seconds. The Polo CALIPRI is designed to be used with a variety of pipe materials, making it a versatile tool for any plumbing job. It's a fast, easy, and reliable solution for all your pipe connecting needs. Find out more at https://www.youtube.com/watch V=KFAB2 HB2PRU. Every professional needs a reliable set of bits, and the Wolfcraft 7-piece Impact Bit Box is a great option. This set is designed for use with impact drivers and features a durable construction that can withstand the most demanding jobs. The bits are made from high-quality steel and are designed to resist stripping and breaking. The set comes in a compact and convenient case, so you can easily take it with you wherever you go. The Wolfcraft 7-piece Impact Bit Box is a must-have for any professional who needs a reliable and durable set of bits. If you need to install grommets quickly and easily, the BeamNova Grommet machine tool is the perfect solution. This machine is designed to apply grommets to a variety of materials, including fabric, leather, and plastic. It features a heavy-duty construction that can handle the most demanding jobs, and its easy-to-use design makes it a great choice for both professionals and DIYers. The BeamNova Grommet machine tool is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of applications, from banners to tarps. It is a powerful and reliable tool that will make your next project a breeze. The Bagel Smart Tape Measure is a revolutionary tool that brings the tape measure into the 21st century. This innovative device features a built-in display that shows you the exact measurement in real time. It can also store measurements and sync with your smartphone, making it easy to keep track of your projects. The Bagel Smart Tape Measure is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of applications, from home improvement to professional construction. It is a powerful and reliable tool that will make your next project a breeze. When you need to drill multiple hole sizes with a single bit, the Greenlee step bits are the perfect solution. These bits feature a unique step design that allows you to drill a variety of hole sizes in a single pass. They are made from high-quality steel and are designed to resist stripping and breaking. The Greenlee step bits are a versatile tool that can be used on a variety of materials, including metal, plastic, and wood. They are a powerful and reliable tool that will quickly become a favorite in your toolkit. For the toughest cleaning jobs, you need a tool that can deliver serious power, and the Falch water jetting system is the perfect solution. This powerful system uses high-pressure water to clean pipes and sewers, removing even the most stubborn blockages. The system is designed to be easy to use, and its compact design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The Falch water jetting system is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of applications, from residential to commercial. It is a powerful and reliable tool that will make your next project a breeze. For professional woodworking, you need a tool that can deliver precise and accurate measurements, and the woodpecker's bevel block and bevel squares are the perfect solution. This set of tools is designed to help you create perfect bevels and angles every time. The bevel block is made from high-quality aluminum and features a laser-engraved scale that's easy to read. The bevel squares are made from high-quality steel and are designed to resist bending and breaking. This is a must-have tool for any woodworker who wants to take their craft to the next level. Stripping cables can be a time-consuming and tedious job, but the sheathing stripper AM16 is here to make it a little easier. This innovative tool is designed to quickly and easily remove the outer sheathing from a variety of cables. It features an adjustable blade that can be set to the perfect depth, so you don't have to worry about damaging the inner wires. The sheathing stripper AM16 is a versatile tool that can be used on a variety of cable types, making it a great choice for any electrician. It's a powerful and reliable tool that will quickly become a favorite in your toolkit. When you need to manage hoses, ropes, or cables, the RSHB Winder is the perfect solution. This innovative device is designed to quickly and easily wind up and store a variety of materials. It features a heavy-duty construction that can handle the most demanding jobs, and its easy-to-use design makes it a great choice for both professionals and DIYers. The RSHB Winder is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of applications, from home improvement to professional construction. It is a powerful and reliable tool that will make your next project a breeze. For those who demand perfection in their woodworking, the Micromake Soch Micro Lux Power Plane is the perfect tool for the job. This innovative power plane is designed to give you a smooth and clean finish every time. It features a powerful motor and a sharp blade that can handle the most demanding jobs. The Micromake or Microlux Power Plane is a versatile tool that can be used on a variety of wood types, making it a great choice for any woodworker. It is a powerful and reliable tool that will quickly become a favorite in your toolkit. If you need to create perfect square corners, the corner chisel is the perfect tool for the job. This innovative chisel is designed to create a clean and precise corner every time. It features a sharp, hardened steel blade that can handle the most demanding jobs. The corner chisel is a versatile tool that can be used on a variety of materials, including wood, plastic, and even soft metals. It is a powerful and reliable tool that will make your next project a breeze. The Distant Plus 5-in-1 Worktable is a versatile and innovative tool that every professional needs. This worktable can be used as a workbench, a sawhorse, a dolly, a scaffold, and a creeper, so you can use it for a variety of tasks. It features a heavy-duty construction that can handle the most demanding jobs, and its compact design makes it easy to store and transport. The Distant Plus 5-in-1 Worktable is a must-have for any professional who needs a reliable and versatile work surface. When you need a stable and reliable work surface for your miter saw, the Engine Dot miter saw stand is the perfect solution. This stand features a heavy-duty iron skeleton frame that can handle the most demanding jobs. Its universal design makes it compatible with a variety of miter saws, and its compact design makes it easy to store and transport. The Engine Dot miter saw stand is a must-have for any professional who needs a reliable and durable work surface for their miter saw. If you need to get the job done quickly and easily, the Sealy 4-in-1 Impact Socket Set is the perfect solution. This set of sockets features a unique 4-in-1 design that allows you to use one socket for 4 different sizes. It is made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel and is designed to resist rust and corrosion. The Sealy 4-in-1 Impact Socket Set is a versatile tool that can be used on a variety of fasteners, from nuts and bolts to pipes and tubes. It is a powerful and reliable tool that will quickly become a favorite in your toolkit. Punching holes has never been easier than with Simcoe's hole punching technology. This tool is designed to create a clean and precise hole in a variety of materials, including metal, plastic, and even leather. It features a powerful punching mechanism that can handle the most demanding jobs, and its easy-to-use design makes it a great choice for both professionals and DIYers. The Simcoe hole punching technology is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of applications, from electrical work to crafts. It is a powerful and reliable tool that will make your next project a breeze. When you need to lift heavy objects, The VAL lifter, lift-up magnetic with hinge pedal, is the perfect solution. This innovative device uses a powerful magnet to lift and move heavy objects with ease. Its ergonomic handle and compact design make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and its hinge pedal allows you to release the magnet with a simple foot motion. The VAL lifter, lift-up magnetic with hinge pedal, is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of applications, from construction to manufacturing. It is a powerful and reliable tool that will make your next project a breeze. Thanks for watching. If you found a new favorite tool, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Top Tech Tools for more. See you next time.